Welcome to Filmoments tutorials. In this video I will show you how to play Wordle. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. First thing to do is go to your browser and search for Wordle. Tap on the first result. So let's go ahead and play the game. You have 6 chances to guess the word. Most people start with a word that are mostly vowel, like Ouija. Then when you see that green box, it means that the letter is right and it's in the right position. Let's try it again. Now when you see that yellow box, it means that the letter is right but in a wrong position. Let's try again. Now we got 3 correct letters. Just continue to guess it. Finally, we got the correct word. You can share the game result to Facebook by tapping this share button. Then click copy text. Then open your Facebook app. Create a post. Then paste the text that we copied. Then finally click post. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.